Hello everyone! Today we're going to show you how to solve the false low water alarm issue on your Gevi household V2.0 Countertop Gemi Nugget ice maker. First, make sure that the water tank is indeed full. Even though the tank is full, the machine is showing a low water alarm. This is a false alarm. To ensure machine in ready condition, let's turn off the ice maker for 30 minutes before proceed next step. Open the door and remove ice bin from the machine. After stand the machine for 30 minutes, drain out all water from the tank. Sometimes a clogged filter can cause false alarms. Let's remove the filter to check it. Use a brush to clean the filter. Make sure to remove any dirt or debris that might be clogging it. Use a toothpick slightly rotate water inlet area to check if the pump getting blocked or not. Now let's put the filter back in place. Make sure it's properly installed. Refill water to the tank. After completing these steps, restart the ice maker to see if the issue is resolved. If the alarm disappears and the ice maker starts working, the problem is solved. If the problem still isn't resolved, we recommend contacting Gevi customer support for further assistance. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.